It took me a while hunting in my life and in business in my life to realize that there's a distinct difference between breakthrough moments and breakout moments. The breakthrough moment is the moment where you know that you've cracked the code on something. You know you've leveraged the variables correctly. You've made the right moves. You're in the right position. That is breakthrough. You may not know how big something can scale if it's a business concept. You may not know if it's a 170-inch deer or a 160-inch deer, but you know it's big. That's the breakthrough moment. The breakout moment is where all the accolades come. The licensing contracts, the revenue streams, the deal structure, perks and benefits, and all the great things. Those are breakout moments. I believe in a system which strives for a passionate, committed dedication towards accomplishing breakthrough moments and feeling breakthrough moments, but expecting the breakout moments.